Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. Today I wanted to share with you guys another cool design that's available from the 100-yen store called Seiya. There's also Daiso, which you guys are probably more familiar with, but Seiya is a very big series of stores in Japan and you can find really cool, cute, awesome things there. They do try to have a lot of things that are more from Japan, whereas Daiso has stuff that's more made in China and Korea, which is fine too, but it's nice to have origami paper from Japan, I think. This is made by the company KYOWA, and they make really great, fun Chiyogami print design papers. They do their own kind of design series, and then they have this print paper series, which is sort of like stock photos printed on paper as Chiyogami, so that you can use that for origami and other craft projects. So this series is called Jewelry, and it looks super awesome and sparkly, which is very cool. Let me show you guys here what it looks like. You get 4 different patterns for a total of 48 sheets, so 12 pieces each, and it's just 100 yen for that, so that's pretty awesome. You get first this one here that has a variety of little diamonds on there. Some pretty cool sparkly other colored jewels. We have this big diamond. That looks cool. It's a whole page. And then the last one is a bunch of pearls. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So just a fun collection of paper. It's like I said, it's sort of this stock photo design, so the patterns are not symmetrical. So you want to kind of keep that in mind when you're making something, if you're folding something, especially if you want to make everybody a diamond box at work and you have 12 of them and you want them to all look exactly the same. You're going to want to make sure that you start folding each one of your projects in with the paper facing the same way, because it will look a little different then. Just to kind of keep that in mind. But it's always fun to get these because they're, you know, it's not what you typically expect of origami paper, but it can make for some really fun projects. I would love to use these with Tomoko Fusei's series of boxes, like her ones that use 8 sheets of paper to make. Those are really cool. That would be really cool with these kinds of patterns. So I wanted to share them with you guys. I'll have some more fun things like this to share with you guys in the days to come, so check back for that. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!